All right. So here's a letter from the richest man alive. Well, one of the richest men alive, Warren Buffett. He wrote this as a final shareholders goodbye just before Thanksgiving, as he always does. And I read it, and it hit me like a ton of bricks, because you have a man who's made billions of dollars. You know, probably one of the most successful people on paper when it comes to the stock market that you can make up. And this was the final thing he has to say. My advice: don't beat yourself up over past mistakes. Learn at least a little from them and move on. It is never too late to improve. Get the right heroes and copy them. Remember Alfred Nobel, the Nobel Peace Prize guy, right? He reportedly read his own obituary that was mistakenly printed when his brother died, and a newspaper got them mixed up. He was horrified at what he read and realized he should change his behavior. Don't count on the newsroom mix-up. Decide what you would like your obituary to say and live the life to deserve it. Greatness does not come about through accumulating great amounts of money, great amounts of publicity, or great power in governments. When you help somebody in any of 1,000 of ways, you help the world. Kindness is costless but also priceless. Whether you are religious or not, it is hard to beat the golden rule as a guide to behavior. I write this as one who has been thoughtless countless times and made many mistakes, but also became very lucky in learning from some wonderful friends how to behave better. Still a long way from perfect, however. Keep in mind that the cleaning lady is as much a human being as the chairman. I wish all who read this a very happy Thanksgiving. Yes, even the jerks. It's never too late to change. Choose your heroes very carefully and then emulate them. You will never be perfect, but you can always choose better. You will never be perfect, but you can always be better. I find it funny that a man who's made billions of dollars and on paper is successful wrote these words that it has nothing to do with money or status or how many followers you have or what government position you're in. And it has everything to do with simply how you treat another human being. From the cleaning lady to a CEO. And what's cool about that is you don't need to wait to be successful. Being successful is how you treat each other and how you treat yourself. And I find that fascinating that, you can chase a dollar your whole life, go your whole life thinking that's success, and trying to get somewhere and not thinking you're successful. But the simple change that he's saying here is the moment you start to learn from your mistakes and you treat people well, you already are successful. You don't need anything else. And I think in some way, if we all judge that as success, the world would get a lot of better. Sorry, I'm freezing out here. The world would get a lot better on its own.